Effective management of any project requires prudent scheduling and planning of pertinent tasks, activities, and milestones. And with physical product design companies in today's largely distributed environment, there is generally a lot to keep track of. And sure, you can use, spreadsheets for some of that planning, but will they provide real-time visibility into the progress of tasks across different departments? Will they keep your teams away from time-wasting phone calls, emails, and check-in meetings? And will other tools to-dos tie directly to your design data while storing that data safely? Whether you're simply managing your own work or synchronizing project work across several teams, Project Planner is the tool for you. With Project Planner, you can easily spin up new projects, assign stakeholders, and tasks for each team member involved. You and your teams have a central space to keep track of the progress of each task, sub-project, and key milestones. All of this in addition to summary data overviews pertaining to your team's workloads and remaining activities. All of your project data is stored securely in the cloud. The same secure cloud that can house your actual product data. You can even tie your 3D product data directly to a task deliverable to avoid any confusion over which part or product a task relates to. All of this can be accomplished at any time on any device with a web browser. And for SOLIDWORKS users, you don't even have to leave your CAD application to check in on and update your tasks. A simple drag and drop command from the feature tree even ties your design data right to the appropriate item. With this level of visibility, security, and 3D CAD integration, you can finally clear your calendar, your inbox, hey, even your mind.